So if you're a GoPro shooter and you want to take your GoPro footage up to the next level, it's super easy to do this. I'm gonna put it up here to the next level. Grab your Insta360 X4 or X2 or X3, doesn't really matter. And we're gonna go up to the hill.
We gonna take it, 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 gonna take it to the top. I'm gonna take it to the top. I'm gonna.
So the basic kit for skiing or snowboarding is the same, except for the ski pole adapter. You're gonna have 3 batteries, one in your Insta360, and then the other 2 in your battery charger and on your person or whatever. And then you got some mics on there, some mic muffs from you can get them from Amazon or Insta360 or whatever. Then if you're a snowboarder, that's all you need. This one has the little tripod mount, so you could set it down. Do that. That's all the kit you need for a snowboarder. Just your regular Insta360 X2, 3, or 4, doesn't really matter. You're gonna get great footage. I mean, my 2 is just as good as the 4, almost. I mean, by the time you put it on YouTube, there is almost 0 difference. Then you'll see, because most people are watching on their phone, pad, and even on the computer, and even then, you're not really getting much out of this compared to the X2. So you can save some money, get the X2, get some extra batteries, the battery charger, the wind muff, and that's all you need. So as far as skiing goes, this is the best kit. So you just grab this essential piece of the kit from Insta360. A great piece of aluminum from them, worth every penny. And you just slap it on there, hit the record button, and you're good to go. Just need to make sure that the main camera is facing you, whatever way it gets to, and then you just hold it out here. And one of the only things you really need to do is what's nice about this ski pole is you can take it from your normal length, like mine's like 122 cm, and you can drop it on down to all the way on bottom. Just because when you're skiing and you're going down a steep slope, if this is down all the way here at the regular level, you can start dragging your basket, and then you're getting a lot of vibration on the head of your Insta360, which is going to make your footage not look too good, especially in lower light. If it's snowing out, you got heavy snow, fog, or whatever, you're going to get a lot of vibration if you're sitting there scraping this on the snow. So it's kind of better to keep this arm hugged up a little bit, and then when you go into turn, you kind of want to do like a punch, kind of going forward with this. And you can't see it in the video footage really, but you're doing a regular pull plant with your one arm, and then when you go to the next turn, you can just kind of stab the air with it. Be nice and smooth with your pull, and you're going to get some great footage. And this keeps us away from the back of the hill, so you don't get that pull dragging and get your dipping this camera down when it's extended out all the way. And what's great about this compared to the old GoPro is the GoPro, you're getting that one angle shot. So let's say you have it like on your chest, mountain helmet mount, wherever you're going to have it. You're getting that one single shot. So we're going down the hill, and you're going to get that one single shot. Or you're not going to get the shot if this isn't pointed where you want it to go. So you're either going to get the shot, not get the shot, but there's only one shot that you're going to get. So we're going to leave the GoPro right up there, right up here with the old F3 Nikon, the old film cameras. Keep it up there so it looks nice and pretty up on the shelf. And we take out the Insta360 to get the work done. And the great thing about this, I'm going to show you an example in one video. where we're going down a single run. It's one shot, about a 10-second clip, and this is going to capture, I got a snowboarder buddy behind me, then we've got a snowboarder in front of me, and then we got a skier in front of that person, and we got me. So we're going to do 4 shots off of one run, off of one camera, and then we're going to mix them all together in Final Cut Pro on the iPad, and then we'll show you the difference from what you get from an Insta360, or even if you have the GoPro 360 camera, you can do the same thing. GoPro versus Insta360.